that you feel you fail because something died. That's not what it is. See how it's long? And if you look at, oh, this broke. Oh my gosh, there's so many of the beans. I need to come harvest those later. Oh, there's even purple ones. Okay, I need to take care of that. I love these purple ones. They're so pretty. Wow, I have so many. Didn't even know. Okay. Oops, I broke that. Oh no. I need to be more careful. Oh, there's so many beans. I was looking at the Buddhas my mom and my husband gave me. You know, that hear and don't see doesn't mean just that. It means to me that you don't have to see things, you know, a plant dying or you failing on something that you feel you fail because something died. That's not what it is. You have to see it that way. You can see it as you're learning and you're getting better every year. I mean, this garden had nothing on it, and I knew nothing about growing flowers from seed and about dahlias, and now I'm enjoying this gorgeous garden that inspires me every day. And the not here to me is stop listening to everybody else. So he tells me and reminds me every day, I don't need to listen to everyone because each of us have our own experience. And that's why I am such an advocate of gardening with purpose, because what works for one person may not work for you. You have a reason to develop your garden, and I hope that you find what that is. That's why I developed the Mindset Reset Planner. It's completely free because I wanted people to be in touch, especially in this time where we're living. It's so important that we are so aware of more than the action we're taking every day to just get through the day. And the garden is no different. That's how it becomes an oasis. So next, I just want to enjoy and absorb what the garden is giving me right now. Remember to do that. Don't miss those times, because it's just as important as the projects that you do in it. It's just beautiful. going to go ahead and prune the roses. I was gonna feed them all the liquid feed today, but it's gonna rain for 3 days and I feel like I'm gonna waste them. So I think I'm gonna skip it until next week when it stops raining. What I'm gonna do is clean them, get rid of the yellow leaves that are sick, and just look at the little new shoots and see if anything has aphids. Just rub it with my hand. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the dahlias too. Leaves are getting charred because we had weather in the 90s, so I'm gonna remove those. This is so relaxing to me. I just love coming out here every morning and every afternoon and just starting my day like this. Oh, there's quite a few in here that I gotta get out. So here's how you can tell. So see how these are long? They're kind of long and dark in the center, and these are round. All of these are round. If they're long like this, it's a flower that already got done. See how it's long? And if you look at a typical one, it's round. So that's a new one. And the long ones like this that are a little bit open in the center, those are old ones. And that's how I tell what is ready for me to prune. And if you're scared that you're gonna cut new blooms, then cut them when they still have some leaves on it, and then you can tell they're kind of open like this still. And that way it's easier to tell. I don't know what this is. If you like real-time garden experiments, whether they're successes or flops, go ahead and tap subscribe and ring that tiny bell. I post every week and we just sip coffee and grow together. Oh, this broke, this little cherry tomato. So I'm going to harvest these and see if they'll ripen up on the counter, which tomatoes usually do. So Let's see if they do. Yeah, I think it should be okay. Maybe they'll ripen up fine. It's really unfortunate that it broke. But there's still another branch or stem full of tomatoes on the plant, so that's okay. Okay, I'll discard the rest.